You need to buy some new sprockets and a chain for your CT110 Postie. There are different versions, so you don't want to order the wrong thing and waste your money. Which sprocket fits your bike? First of all, front sprockets. The standard gear ratio is 3:1. So the front sprocket is 15 and the rear is 45. And what many people will do, they will change to a 16. I'll go up to a 16, or you can go down the other way, and this is a 13. The front sprockets fit all the versions of the Postie with one exception. The sprockets are just thin and flat with two tapped holes. But this sprocket, let's hope that your sprocket isn't as bad as the teeth on this. That's the version that fits on the AG version in Australia, or the CT110 Trail, the one with the high-low gearbox. It's a lot more difficult to manufacture, so there are 3 times the price, much more expensive to buy, and there's very few opportunities for changing the number of teeth. They seem to only come in the 15. So the first thing you need to know, is your bike an AG version or a Trail one with the high-low gearbox? If yes, then you'll need a sprocket, a front sprocket like this. All of the Posties the only choice you need to make then is the number of teeth. Standard 15, up 1 to 16, or down 1 to 14. Well, here we have 3 rear sprockets fitted to various versions of the Honda CT110. We have the lugged version, you can tell by the rivets and the lugs on the back of the sprocket. This is the lugged hub. The sprocket fits on and is held in place by a large circlip. Then we have the bolted on type, the early version, pre-1999, the later version with a larger pitch circle diameter, larger hole in the centre for the post-1999. So you can see, if we do this, the difference between the two. So pre-1999, post-1999, lug type. If you're not sure whether you've got a lugged one or not, look at the sprocket, no need to take it off. If it's riveted, it's a lug type. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps clear up any confusion with the CT110 sprockets. No matter how bad things get, don't do what this person's done. Attach the sprocket to the hub with fencing wire. Crazy.